Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick and simple recipe for you. I'm going to be doing some sardines. Now a lot of people are very iffy about sardines. I mean fish in a can, but it's really good guys. You guys are going to love it. It's a quick and cheap meal. What more could you want? So I want to give a big shout out to Andrew over at Delicacy Imports. Thanks for providing me with the sardines to use in today's recipe. It's going to be a great one guys. You can serve this with Sada roti, oil roti, some hot bakes, even some rice. The possibilities are endless. You guys are really going to enjoy this one. The ingredients that I'm going to need for my sardines today are of course some canned sardines, and today I'm using the sardines in tomato sauce, but if you wanted to, feel free to use the plain sardines for this. Now this is going to be pretty good because it's going to be like a stewed fish type of thing, so it's going to be great. I also have some chopped hot pepper, I have some sliced onion, as well as some sliced scallions. I'm also going to need a little bit of oil to help me fry up all of my ingredients. What I've done here is I've added in a few teaspoons of oil into my pan, and once that comes up to temperature, I'm going to go in with all of my sliced onions, as well as all of my hot pepper. And don't worry, all of the ingredients and the measurements are going to be in the description box down below. We're going to fry the onions and the hot peppers for about 3 to 4 minutes, or just until the onions get a little bit of a golden brown color. My onions have gotten a nice golden brown color here, and what I'm going to do now is add in all of my sardines. Now I'm adding them in whole because as I stir the dish, they're going to fall apart a little bit, and you don't want it to be too mushy. Now I know what you guys are probably thinking, that I left all of the bones and the skin on the fish. Well, I did, but the only reason is because whenever you can certain types of fish, especially like the salmon, the tuna, and even these sardines, any type of bone that was in the fish, the bones get so mushy with that water, so you're not even going to feel them there. So we're going to go ahead, stir this around. My heat's on a medium heat right now, and we're going to cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes, just until the fish falls apart a little bit and all of those flavors get a chance to marry together. At this point, I'm also going to go in with all of my chopped scallions, so this way they can cook with the fish. My sardines have been cooking for about 12 minutes now, and I'm going to remove it from the heat. As you guys can see, this is why I did not mush up the fish before I added it into the pot, because it's going to fall apart on its own. So I went ahead and I gave it a taste for salt. I didn't have to add any, it was salty enough for me, but if you find that you need a little bit more salt, go ahead and put in a pinch. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to dish it out and show you guys the finished product. Alright guys, here is my finished sardines. It smells so good. Now I'm going to be very honest, I haven't always been a fan of sardines, but I cannot wait to dig into this. It looks really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Go ahead and give it a nice big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet, and make sure to comment down below and tell me what you guys would like me to make next. I'll see you guys again with another one of my awesome recipes.